Memory, the ability to retain, recall, and utilize information, is one of the most precious functions of the human brain. It shapes our identity, influences the way we experience the world, and determines how we interact with others and respond to our environment. Yet, despite its immense importance, memory is a fickle thing. Over time, we all experience memory lapses. Whether it's forgetting where we placed our keys, struggling to remember someone's name, or even losing track of crucial details at work or school. In many cases, memory loss is a natural part of the aging process, but it's also a phenomenon that can affect us at any age. Studies have shown that cognitive decline and memory lapses can begin as early as the mid-20s, even though it may not be immediately noticeable. In recent years, the quest to understand and improve memory has become an area of intense research and exploration. Many scientists and nutritionists have focused their attention on the foods we consume, seeking to uncover the role that nutrition plays in supporting cognitive function and enhancing memory. After all, our brains are no different from any other organ in our body. They require a consistent supply of the right nutrients to function optimally. Just as we fuel our bodies with energy food, our brains need specific nutrients to maintain their power and keep our memories sharp. The idea that food can impact brain function and memory is not new. For centuries, cultures around the world have turned to natural remedies to boost mental clarity and cognitive function. Whether it's the use of herbal teas, spices, or specific foods, our ancestors understood the connection between diet and brain health. However, with the advent of modern science, researchers have been able to delve deeper into this connection, identifying specific compounds and nutrients that promote better brain function. One of the most exciting aspects of this research is the realization that certain foods are particularly effective at supporting memory and cognitive performance. These foods, often referred to as brain foods, contain a range of nutrients that can help protect the brain from damage, stimulate the growth of new brain cells, and improve overall brain function. From antioxidants that protect against oxidative stress to healthy fats that support brain cell structure, the right foods can make a significant difference in our ability to remember and learn. However, the idea that specific foods can help us remember everything we've forgotten in the past goes beyond the general understanding of cognitive enhancement. It's not just about preventing memory loss or boosting focus in the short term. It's about unlocking the deeper potential of the brain, allowing it to access memories that may seem distant or elusive. What if there were foods that could help us tap into the recesses of our minds and retrieve forgotten information? Could something as simple as what we eat play a role in helping us recall details from years ago, memories that have been locked away in the labyrinth of our minds? While this idea may sound almost like a fantasy, the truth is that there are specific foods that have been shown to promote better memory recall, improve neuroplasticity, the brain's ability to reorganize itself, and even stimulate the regrowth of brain cells. These foods have the potential to not only enhance our current memory capacity, but also restore and improve our ability to access old, forgotten memories. Throughout this video, we will explore 3 such foods. Foods that have been scientifically proven to help you remember everything you've forgotten in the past. These foods are not only delicious and nutritious, but also easy to incorporate into your daily diet. They are natural, accessible, and, best of all, they can offer real, cognitive benefits. So, whether you're someone who struggles with forgetfulness, an older adult looking to preserve your cognitive abilities, or simply someone who wants to enhance your brain function, these foods might be just what you need to unlock your mind's potential. But before we dive into the specific foods, it's essential to understand how nutrition influences brain function and memory. The brain, despite making up only about 2% of the body's total weight, consumes roughly 20% of the body's energy. It requires a constant supply of glucose, oxygen, and nutrients to fuel its activities. The food we consume provides these essential nutrients, and certain nutrients are particularly important for supporting brain function. For instance, omega-3 fatty acids are essential for building brain cells and supporting communication between neurons. Antioxidants help protect the brain from oxidative stress, which can damage brain cells and lead to cognitive decline. Vitamins and minerals, such as vitamin E, B vitamins, and magnesium, also play critical roles in maintaining brain health and supporting memory. In addition to providing essential nutrients, food can influence brain function in more subtle ways. The gut-brain connection, for example, is an area of growing interest in scientific research. Studies have shown that the gut microbiome, the community of bacteria living in the digestive tract, has a direct impact on brain health. A balanced, healthy diet that promotes a diverse and thriving gut microbiome may improve memory, mood, and cognitive function. Furthermore, certain foods have the power to reduce inflammation, which is a key factor in many neurodegenerative diseases, such as Alzheimer's and Parkinson's. Chronic inflammation in the brain can impair cognitive function and accelerate the aging process, so reducing inflammation through diet can help preserve memory and brain health over the long term. Now, let's focus on the three specific foods that have shown the most promise in terms of memory enhancement and cognitive function. These foods have been selected not only for their proven effectiveness, but also for their ease of inclusion in the daily diet. Whether you're enjoying a snack, preparing a meal, or sipping on a smoothie, these foods can seamlessly fit into your routine, providing a tasty and accessible way to boost your brain power. In the following sections, we will delve deeper into each of these foods, exploring their benefits and the science behind their ability to enhance memory. From antioxidant-rich fruits to nutrient-dense nuts and indulgent yet beneficial chocolate, these foods offer a powerful, natural way to support your brain and unlock the potential of your mind. The first food we will explore has long been recognized for its brain-boosting properties: the humble blueberry. Blueberries, often referred to as nature's candy, are packed with antioxidants that protect the brain from oxidative stress and support memory function. But what exactly makes them so effective, and how can they help you improve your memory and recall? We'll explore this in detail in the next section. So, if you've ever found yourself forgetting details, struggling to recall important information, or simply looking for ways to enhance your memory, the foods we're about to explore may hold the key. By nourishing your brain with the right nutrients, you can unlock its full potential and recall memories that have long been forgotten. But before we get into the specifics of each food, it's essential to acknowledge that memory enhancement is not solely reliant on food. While nutrition plays a critical role, other factors such as regular physical exercise, mental stimulation, adequate sleep, and stress management are also crucial for maintaining a sharp memory. However, by focusing on the right foods, you can provide your brain with the essential building blocks it needs to function optimally and recall memories from the past. Now, let's begin the journey to better memory and cognitive function, starting with the first food on our list. Keep reading to discover the powerful impact that blueberries can have on your ability to remember everything you've forgotten in the past. The first food, blueberries. The memory superpower. First of all, let's talk about blueberries. These small, vibrant berries are often referred to as a superfood, and for good reason. Packed with antioxidants, vitamins, and nutrients, blueberries have long been hailed as one of the most potent foods for brain health. But what exactly makes them so beneficial for memory? Blueberries contain high levels of anthocyanins, a type of antioxidant that has been shown to improve cognitive function and protect the brain from oxidative stress. Oxidative stress refers to the damage caused by free radicals, which are unstable molecules that can damage cells, including brain cells. The antioxidants in blueberries help neutralize these free radicals, preventing damage to brain tissue and promoting healthier brain function. Moreover, several studies have indicated that blueberries may have a direct impact on memory retention. One of the most significant studies conducted on this topic was published in the Journal of Agricultural and Food Chemistry. In this study, participants who consumed blueberry powder for a period of several weeks experienced significant improvements in both short-term and long-term memory. This suggests that blueberries may help prevent age-related memory decline and support cognitive health across the lifespan. But that's not all. Blueberries have been shown to improve communication between brain cells. The compounds in blueberries help increase the production of brain-derived neurotrophic factor, BDNF, a protein that plays a crucial role in the growth and maintenance of neurons. Higher levels of BDNF are linked to better memory, learning, and overall cognitive function. By boosting BDNF production, blueberries effectively enhance your brain's ability to process and retain information. The connection between blueberries and memory goes beyond the immediate benefits of brain health. Studies have also suggested that regularly consuming blueberries may help reverse some of the cognitive decline associated with aging. A study conducted by the University of Exeter in the United Kingdom found that older adults who consumed blueberry juice daily for 12 weeks showed improvements in both memory and attention span. This suggests that blueberries may play a role in mitigating the effects of age-related cognitive decline. In addition to their cognitive benefits, blueberries are also packed with vitamin C, a nutrient that is vital for brain health. Vitamin C helps protect the brain from oxidative damage, and it also plays a role in the production of neurotransmitters like serotonin and dopamine, which are essential for mood regulation and cognitive function. By supporting neurotransmitter production, blueberries can contribute to better mood, focus, and memory. Blueberries are not only good for the brain, but they also provide other health benefits. They are rich in fiber, which supports digestive health and helps regulate blood sugar levels. Additionally, blueberries are low in calories, making them an excellent snack for anyone looking to maintain a healthy weight. So, how can you incorporate blueberries into your diet to improve your memory? The possibilities are endless. You can enjoy them fresh, frozen, or dried, and they can be added to smoothies, oatmeal, yogurt, salads, or even desserts. If you're not a fan of eating them by themselves, you can easily incorporate blueberries into your daily routine by adding them to a variety of dishes. If you're looking for a way to boost your memory and protect your brain from age-related decline, adding blueberries to your diet is an easy and delicious step in the right direction. But blueberries aren't the only food that can enhance your memory. Stay tuned as we explore the second food on our list, the one that has the power to sharpen your focus and keep your mind sharp throughout the day. The second food, walnuts, the nut for better brain function. Also, walnuts stand out as another incredible food that plays a significant role in boosting memory and supporting overall brain health. For centuries, walnuts have been revered not only as a tasty snack, but also as a potent food that nourishes the mind. But what makes walnuts so effective when it comes to memory and cognitive function? Walnuts are packed with a variety of nutrients that have been scientifically proven to enhance brain health. First and foremost, they are an excellent source of omega-3 fatty acids, particularly alpha-linolenic acid, ALA. Omega-3 fatty acids are essential fats that play a crucial role in brain function, as well as in reducing inflammation and supporting the structural integrity of brain cells. A deficiency in omega-3 fatty acids has been linked to a decline in cognitive abilities, including memory and learning. Omega-3 fatty acids, such as those found in walnuts, are particularly important for maintaining the health of the brain's gray matter. The gray matter is responsible for processing information, making decisions, and controlling memory, emotions, and muscle movements. By consuming walnuts regularly, you help nourish your brain's gray matter, which in turn improves your memory and cognitive function. What's more, walnuts contain a significant amount of antioxidants, particularly vitamin E. Vitamin E is known for its ability to protect brain cells from oxidative stress and free radical damage. Oxidative stress has been shown to contribute to age-related cognitive decline and neurodegenerative diseases such as Alzheimer's disease. By providing your brain with a steady supply of antioxidants, walnuts help protect against this damage and preserve brain health over the long term. Research also suggests that walnuts may enhance memory consolidation, the process by which short-term memories are transformed into long-term memories. One study published in the Journal of Nutrition found that older adults who consumed walnuts daily showed improved cognitive performance, including better memory and decision-making abilities. The study's authors concluded that walnuts may help mitigate cognitive decline and improve mental performance in aging individuals. Beyond their high levels of omega-3s and antioxidants, walnuts also contain a wealth of other nutrients that contribute to brain health. For instance, walnuts are a good source of polyphenolic compounds, which are plant-based chemicals known for their anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. These polyphenols not only support the brain's defenses against oxidative stress, but also promote better blood flow to the brain. Improved blood circulation means that the brain receives more oxygen and nutrients, which in turn supports enhanced cognitive function, including memory retention. In addition to their memory-boosting properties, walnuts are known to improve overall brain function by enhancing synaptic plasticity. Synaptic plasticity refers to the ability of brain cells, neurons, to form new connections and strengthen existing ones. The more synaptic connections that are formed, the better the brain's ability to learn and retain information. Walnuts have been shown to support synaptic plasticity by providing the brain with the necessary nutrients and compounds to facilitate this process. Now, you may be wondering, how can you incorporate walnuts into your daily diet to reap these cognitive benefits? The good news is that walnuts are incredibly versatile and can be enjoyed in various ways. You can snack on a handful of raw or roasted walnuts, add them to salads, sprinkle them over your morning oatmeal, or blend them into smoothies. If you enjoy baking, walnuts can also be added to cookies, muffins, and other baked goods. For those who are looking to boost memory and support cognitive function, walnuts are an easy and accessible addition to your diet. The next time you reach for a snack, consider choosing a handful of walnuts to keep your mind sharp and your memory strong. But walnuts aren't the only food that can help you unlock your memory. In the final section of this video, we will explore the third food that has the power to unlock the deepest recesses of your mind. Stay tuned. The third food, dark chocolate, the sweet treat for your brain. So, the last food on our list is perhaps one of the most enjoyable, dark chocolate. Yes, you read that correctly. Dark chocolate, when consumed in moderation and with a high cocoa content, can do wonders for your brain, enhancing memory, focus, and cognitive function. While it may seem too good to be true, the science behind dark chocolate's positive effects on the brain is both fascinating and well supported. Dark chocolate is rich in flavonoids, a type of antioxidant that is known to promote brain health. These flavonoids, specifically flavonoids like epicatechin, have been shown to improve blood flow to the brain, which is essential for optimal brain function. Enhanced blood flow ensures that the brain receives a steady supply of oxygen and nutrients, both of which are crucial for memory retention, learning, and overall cognitive health. But that's not all. Dark chocolate has been shown to have neuroprotective properties, meaning it helps protect brain cells from damage caused by oxidative stress and inflammation. The antioxidants found in dark chocolate fight off free radicals, which can damage brain cells and contribute to cognitive decline. By protecting your brain from this kind of damage, dark chocolate may help preserve memory function and reduce the risk of age-related cognitive issues. Moreover, the consumption of dark chocolate has been linked to the production of brain-derived neurotrophic factor, BDNF, the same protein mentioned earlier when discussing blueberries. BDNF plays a critical role in the growth and maintenance of neurons, and higher levels of BDNF have been associated with improved memory and cognitive performance. Dark chocolate's ability to increase BDNF levels in the brain is one of the reasons it is considered a potent brain food. Several studies have also highlighted the link between dark chocolate and improved cognitive performance. One study published in the Frontiers in Nutrition journal found that participants who consumed dark chocolate regularly showed significant improvements in their ability to perform cognitive tasks, particularly tasks that involved memory and attention. Another study published in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition concluded that even small amounts of dark chocolate could improve brain function by enhancing memory, focus, and mental clarity. In addition to improving memory, dark chocolate has been shown to have mood-enhancing effects. It contains compounds like theobromine and phenylethylamine, which promote the release of endorphins and serotonin, the feel-good hormones that contribute to feelings of happiness and well-being. By boosting mood and reducing stress, dark chocolate helps create an optimal environment for brain function. When you feel good, your brain is more likely to perform at its best, and that includes better memory and focus. Another fascinating benefit of dark chocolate is its potential to improve long-term memory. Research suggests that consuming dark chocolate over time may improve memory consolidation, making it easier to retain and recall information. This is especially important for individuals looking to boost their memory capacity, whether for academic, professional, or personal purposes. But what makes dark chocolate even more enticing is its versatility. You can enjoy it in many different forms, whether it's a square of rich, dark chocolate, a hot cup of cocoa, or as an ingredient in smoothies, baked goods, and desserts. When selecting dark chocolate, it's important to choose varieties that contain at least 70% cocoa to ensure that you're getting the maximum amount of beneficial flavonoids. Additionally, be mindful of sugar content. While a small amount of sugar is fine, it's best to avoid highly sugary chocolate, as excessive sugar can negate some of the positive effects on brain health. For those who are new to dark chocolate, it's a good idea to start with a moderate amount and gradually increase your intake. Eating dark chocolate in moderation is key, as too much of it can lead to excess calories or unwanted sugar intake. However, when enjoyed in appropriate amounts, dark chocolate can be a delicious and powerful ally in your quest for better memory and cognitive function. Incorporating dark chocolate into your diet is an enjoyable way to enhance brain health and unlock the power of your memory. Whether you're studying for an exam, trying to improve your work performance, or simply looking to maintain your mental sharpness, dark chocolate can be your secret weapon for memory retention and cognitive enhancement. In conclusion, while there is no magical cure for forgetfulness, incorporating the right foods into your diet can certainly enhance your memory and cognitive function. Blueberries, walnuts, and dark chocolate are three powerful foods that have been scientifically proven to support brain health and improve memory. Each of these foods contains a unique combination of antioxidants, healthy fats, and neuroprotective compounds that work together to nourish and protect your brain. First of all, blueberries stand out for their ability to improve both short-term and long-term memory, thanks to their rich antioxidant content and ability to increase brain-derived neurotrophic factor, BDNF. Walnuts, on the other hand, are packed with omega-3 fatty acids and polyphenolic compounds that support brain structure, improve synaptic plasticity, and protect against cognitive decline. And lastly, dark chocolate, the sweet treat for your brain, delivers flavonoids and compounds that promote better blood flow, enhance memory consolidation, and boost mood, all of which contribute to sharper focus and improved memory retention. So, whether you're looking to boost your brain power during a busy workday, enhance your study routine, or simply maintain mental sharpness as you age, these foods can make a noticeable difference in your ability to remember everything you've forgotten in the past. As you add these delicious and nutritious foods to your diet, you may begin to notice improvements in your memory, focus, and overall cognitive performance. So, why not start today? Don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more health tips, and share your experiences with these memory-boosting foods in the comments below. We'd love to hear how they've worked for you.